My brother and sister, today I want to come and reading for you as about the Bibles and the Matthew chapter 7 verse 7. But I want to I think that I reading already about this, but you know what? I want to follow the God's and the verse, okay? And then Matthew chapter 7 verse 7, and then following the related verse, and then talk about that here. Okay, I want to start and read for you here now. Matthew chapter 7 verse 7. Easy for you. Everybody know about this Bible. And it will be give to you. Ask, it will be give to you. Seek and you will find. Knock and the door will be open to you. This three center, but I want to take only one center here. Ask and it will be give to you. About I want to tell you about this, and it will be give to you. Okay, and it will be give to you. Only just the thing. Okay, I want to read for you about the more little bit about here. Okay, I think I'm not sure about that. I think I reading ready or I'm not reading ready about this. Here's I want to read for you about Matthew 11. Okay, Matthew 21. Sorry, Matthew 21 verse 22 talk about if you believe, you will resist whatever you ask for in prayer. If you believe, okay, if you believe whatever you ask, now whatever you ask for in prayer. Let us look at our pathinya le society to ipa flower lima te sero nui a sepo nui teva palomini timile tevera la no hierarchy dot ki tilo hierarchy tigitin talo dud clorarchy dot taco on a tuoro. Let us look at tati the pine besukomo nyonyo of polinia no paka hira no paka dud clora no dot taco on a follow. Paini paka le pakwa bakala lima no Peter Mala lima te sero nui a sepo nui ni teva palomini timile no mate sero nui sepo nui ni teva no. Mungkin je pateli mana, hierarchy or taki tulo, hierarchy or tukitini talo, do the chlorarchy or taco tone tuolo. Basana ke pain in this was it about overall. No, mate sero kisito a sapo kisikini teradile. No, do to me, no suki nakitado, peda tukitalo, tuta batuka pa put pani, tukaneba kelelo, tukaneba kelelo. Tu me suki nakita the bakter. I went in on Mesuki Nakivana. Made the suitor Nabalu, but the thili near the near Lupati or the Thiba, no? Paid up a quala, no? Limaco Asado, the sitter, Mona, Limaco Asado, sitter, Sapo, Kissiluini, Deva Palomini Mile, no? Mark chapter 11, verse 24 talk about. Therefore, I tell you, okay, therefore, I tell you, whatever you ask for in prayer. Now, whatever you ask for in prayer, believe that you have received it, and it will be yours. No. Let us go to Patinya Sikola, Patamupulo, Pain no, Limaku, Kubuni, Tevera Sikola, Katuta, no, Limaku, Sado, the sitter, Sabokisilu, Tevera, Mata de Nido, Yesibat, Peda, Tuhiba Tikapado. No, he got a packani, Nala to do it all, the kiddo, no, Kaki Tony to go. Nabana, no, Nahira Timalani, Nabana, Nebali, Little Hodarone, I want to get on Lutone, Le Tugolo, no, I want to back it all, no, the main Batikapata, a Pomudon on the banana, no. Penny, le Luca Sado, the sitter, a supper queenie, Deva Padile, Luca Sado sitter, a supper queenie, Deva Padile. So I say to you, ask and it will be given to you, seek and you will find, knock and the door will be open to you. No? I want it or not. But I want it order Luka Kopun Shiko over us come on. Hey, but get my linimano. Penny, Pekele Pagua Sepumano. As a city as a poor queenie, dog, but get my Yesibatu, Hidaki. Hidaki, do taki tulo, Hudiki, do tukitini talo, do the chloriki, do taco tony tulo, no, I want to put them a do the clock, Hida, no, put them a Huda, Baba Hu, no Baba, He, Baba do the clock, no, I want it, tough femini, Baba power sickle, no, 3 things, okay, axe and 6 and knot, 3 things, you should be think about it now. Then look at our penny peggle quala Luca Serusiho Sepo Journey Deva Padile, no Luke chapter 18 verse 1, no penny peggle Luke chapter 18 verse 1, no David Apadile, no then Jesus told his disciple and parable to show them that they should always pray and not give up, you know. But didn't want to Deva Vadala Pua Tama put it upon, not Deva Patama put it upon. Namba Hiba Tikupara, not Tombo to Buko, always pray, non Mahibara. Girl on the Hiba Tikupara, Tombo to Buko, do Netabalo, Palon the Tuba, and David didn't want to Balo Palon Tuba, no. Pain example, no example, he said, no. In a empty town, there was a Jews who neither fear God nor care about man. No, the care God, no, not the fear God, nor care about man. See that? No, and there was a widow in the town who keep coming to him with the place, no, grant me just against my no advisory. Pagitena Hivera, no Masaya, Ditudo, no Pagitena, no, Yikamana Guvera Pola at Twadayamano. For some time he refused, but finally he said to himself, no, the blood honey, I will refuse it, and I will tell Mahua, no, where the Mahua, Basanakiro, but finally he said to himself, no, I was Shokomologi and not a Sata, Rotera, even thoughts, I don't feel God or care about man, no, the media to me, no, yet the Plikasayova, no, man, yet Kwame Baganova, no, but then I yet Kwame fear. No care about man, just because this window keep bothering me, no. Pagina pamuka made guy in a head or kamatita, no, keep bother me, see that, no. Kamatita, I will see that she give justice, when it did when a yakamane or la pagina la da signor, no, so that she was not eventually wear me out with her coming. No, I was Sukumara, I am money on the senior Tony on looking at the hair, but then my hair matitayalaba, and the Lord said, Rapanero Kasashi, listen to no what the unjust, no, unjust just say, and we not good brain about justice for his chosen one who cried out to him day and night, where he keep putting them off. Now tell you, he will. Now I tell you, he will see that. Now they get justice and quickly. However, when the Son of Man can, will he find faith on the earth? Now he will find. Because there are a teenage tasutana, hokusikoa, and David didn't want. No, pay no pekele kwa pay to sepo le tamata did pane, no. No, John chapter 14, verse 13, deva padile, no, and I will do whatever you ask in my name, so that the Son may bring glory to the Father. But there are Yakamane through Manopena, Yakamane through Talon to Hira Temila, no, let Jamini Mono, Yakamane do Bam no Hule, did to do, but there are Japa Alakapo, no pagita ko plana a po lo hotala no pala ka poni ko plana la po lo award la we ka ma be no tamela aksa la ka po ko plana ago ba no leta no hotala pakra pa tu pata lo no payne pakle kwa lo John chapter 15 no verse pagita ma verse 7 it teba pwani le no 15 verse 7 if you remain in me and my words remain in you ask whatever you wish and it will be given you no pagten mala neme osolo yepu do yagli ka thami osolo na pu mano pagten mana talan na khira tamila la talan ne ro khi tamila la no awan ta khi lo tu lo tebe din mano pagten mala phu ko phu din lo mano me ba manu ko le ne tamma ta te pa phe ne pagle kwa le James chapter 1 verse 5 6 ne teba pwadi le no pagle kwa phe ne mano James chapter 1 verses 5 and 6 no if any of you lack wisdom no he should ask God who generously to all without finding fault and it will be given to him but when he asks he must believe and not doubt because he who doubts is like a wave of the sea now blown and tossed by the wind now pagdana mala tagi khai ne sikone pakra patu pata la tagi khai sikolo no away ni patinya la pagdete ma liya ko asaruta asapo yero huni deva palumni do devara la no pagdana ma no pagdete ma dile no yakko asaruta asapo yero huni do tuweti daga ni na nita kute kuba alome odo mo akhile ywa le hilota nyo le pwa khele do no tadu dwe ba ta ba ne ki do ke hil olo no basa do mo akhita le tanaki mo atatu tadi do no dido no mi ri agide I pole ata dido ni mata di pole le pole kali uba o do huawe atu ni lo pole le pole kali uba o do huawe atu no de blo ko ne pakhira ni pena patasutana to wa no ero david ni patasutana to wa blo ne lo ga di to kali uba kwa no le ti ni no ko ne ogre po lo kali he uba ne ba awe kira ki le pone lo no le tan ko ta awane meta la redo ma lo patamu sikolo no pakrapatu patala patamu no we should think about okay no we pray sometimes we doubt some because we don't have faith no we don't have faith and then you know what is the trouble coming no after that I want to read for you something about here in the first John chapter 3 this no First John chapter 3 verse 22 no when you pagdete mala verse 22 and receive from him anything we ask because we obey his command and do what now why please him pagdete mala paduni ba mo no paduni ba lo awe o pasana ki ro no pay ni kopruler pagdete no do pay ni lite yo asruta so kisikini do peda pakira temilala ni paduni le olo agiri I patuni tamalo do pama phe taba atalo patuni tamalo no pe obey him no his command no pagitera ma awane mo no leta no kura mo pakro patu patala betamo po no awane pakobara le pagitete ma dile no and no it will be given to you no given to you it will be given to you Matthew chapter 7 verse 7 you can read it back there and then you can see it's an ask okay once you ask it will be given to you but so many things about the following and then no doubt okay believe and you know what and then okay his commands okay obey his command okay so many things you have to follow this you think about only just you ask is a no now what no do what please no him why please him? Why please him mean he pleased you about the because you dreamed about is in front of him and then he will give it to you some no. Then the Kura Moya Shuki Glutar or Sweep corner again and God bless you all my friend, my brother and sister. Okay. Today is that this lesson is finished about that. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you next time. God bless you all.